Your brand new iPhone deserves the best protection, and the iLune 3-Pack Screen Protector plus 3-Pack Camera Lens Protector has you covered. Don't take risks with your iPhone. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to Electro Drive News, where we're always on the pulse of the latest electric vehicle trends and innovations. Today, we've got a story that's making waves in West Africa, and it's all about Burkina Faso's entry into the electric vehicle market. Burkina Faso has officially joined the ranks of African nations, taking sustainability to new heights with the launch of its first locally made electric car brand, ITAOUA. This is not just a one-off announcement. It's part of a growing trend of innovation and investment in sustainable mobility across the continent. Manufactured at a state-of-the-art facility in Ouagadougou, the capital city, the ITAOUA EV boasts impressive specs that put it on par with global players. With a range of 330 kilometers on a single charge, this car can achieve full charge in just 30 minutes, a feature typically reserved for top-tier electric vehicles from major manufacturers. Now, we know what you're thinking. How does Burkina Faso plan to make this happen? The answer lies in its commitment to clean energy and localized manufacturing. By harnessing the power of solar energy, ITAOUA is not only reducing its carbon footprint, but also creating jobs and stimulating economic growth within the country. But that's not all. This move comes hot on the heels of other African nations making headlines with their own EV initiatives. South Africa, Kenya, Rwanda, Morocco, Ghana, Tanzania, Egypt, Ethiopia, Benin, and Angola are just a few examples of countries taking bold steps towards sustainable mobility. In fact, according to Mortar Intelligence, the electric vehicle market across Africa is projected to grow from $15.8 billion in 2024 to $25.4 billion by 2029. That's a significant shift in the global landscape, and Burkina Faso is positioning itself at the forefront of this change. So, what does this mean for the future of sustainable mobility in West Africa? As we've seen with ITAOUA, innovation is not just coming from traditional players, but also from emerging tech hubs like Burkina Faso. This is a game changer for a continent where clean transportation and energy independence are both urgent needs and bold opportunities. In conclusion, the launch of ITAOUA represents more than just a vehicle. It's a symbol of Burkina Faso's commitment to sustainability, innovation, and self-reliance. As we move forward with Electro Drive News, we'll be keeping a close eye on this developing story and exploring its implications for sustainable mobility across Africa. Stay tuned for more updates from the world of electric vehicles.